The NGINX Config Manager in FlyWP gives you a simple and safe way to manage your NGINX server settings without needing to touch the file system directly. To get started with the Config Manager, open the FlyWP dashboard and go to your desired site. From the left sidebar, click on NGINX Config. You'll see your default configuration rule displayed in the editor window. Please don't remove any FlyWP config markers. These are needed for the platform to correctly understand and apply your settings. Here's what you can manage from the configuration window. Define which ports NGINX will listen on. You only need to change this if you're running other services or testing with non-standard ports. In domains, list all domains or subdomains that this server block should respond to. This helps avoid any routing issues. You can disable absolute redirects to prevent redirection with ports, especially helpful in staging or local development environments. In logs, set where NGINX should log errors and access requests. It's good practice to monitor these logs regularly for debugging, performance tracking, and security. And define the main folder where NGINX will serve your site files from. You can also add custom rules to keep any changes organized and easy to maintain. For example, if you want to identify IP details, you can use a custom rule for that. Just add it to the configuration, test it, and you're good to go. Once you've made your updates, click Save Changes in the top right corner. Your new configuration will be applied right away. And don't worry, if anything goes wrong, you can always hit Restore Default to bring everything back to the original FlyWP setup. For more help or details, check out the FlyWP documentation.